Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Basic, and today we'll learn about the table and there's some question. How to make a table, what are the questions which is asked in your examination about the DBMS. Today we'll discuss on that topic. Okay. Now let's see what are the questions which asked in the examination. This is the question of DBMS. There are two tables. The name of table is first table is employee and second table is department, right? And there are the some question. Here is the sum question 1 to 22. And this will solve all the question today. And the video will be little long, but don't go by without seeing this video. If you'll watch this video, then it's sure that you will do every question which is asked in your examination or in your lab in any way you can solve every question of DBMS. Right. Now let's start without wasting a time. Go on Oracle. You know everything about this, how to open, right? Now let's see. First we have to make first table this. After that, this one. Okay. I have discussed about the primary key and foreign key. If you haven't watched that video, then please go and watch that my previous video. Now let's take this screenshot. I'll make direct. I have also took a screenshot of this, and now we'll make on SQL command. Okay, let's make create. You know this how to make create table. What is the table name? Employee. Create table employee. Give the bracket. Employee number. Employee number. Employee number is int. Right. After that, employee name. Employee. Give the underscore. Don't give minus. If you will give minus sign, then it won't be wrong. Okay. Employee name. Employee name is what? Varchar. I can keep 30. I'll keep. You can keep anything. After that is age. Age is our int value. Means integer. After that, destination. That is also a varchar. Var such a varchar. I'll keep 50. How much you want to keep, that you can keep. That's no problem. City also gave no gender. No gender is also worker. Salary. Salary is in integer value. And D number. D number is also integer value, right? Close the bracket, and at last you have to use a semicolon, right? The question is telling how to first question. What is the question? First question, create the above table. Means we have to create that both the table. So now, and another question is insert the record as shown. Means the second question is telling that insert this all the record, right? Means you have to make fully this table. First question is to show the above table, and second question is to insert the all the record in that table, and third question is to show the structure of the table means show this structure how it same to same you have to show in SQL command. Okay, now we have to insert this table first. Okay, first you know what we have to do, select this and run first. The name is already used, this employee name is already used. If I use employees, I'll use employees one. Okay, and I think it is not used. Okay, table is created. Our table is created. Now what we have to do, we have to insert all the records in this table. So to insert what we have to use, insert insert into insert into employee employees one, right? What we are going to keep, values means record, right? So we have to write values. Now copy this 100 Alan 54 Chennai mail. This must keep all the record. This one. Okay. The first is 100. So integer value, comma. Now enter employee name is what? So we have to give this sign. Means first one is Alan. A-L-A-N. Close this. Give comma 54. Age is 54. Manager. So we have to give inverted comma manager. Close this. Chennai. You have to close all every worker one. You have to close this. Okay. Another is mail. 29,000 and 001 means the department number is 001. So close this bracket and give a semicolon and run this row. One row is inserted now. Same, copy this. I'll copy this. And what you have to do? How many columns are there? One. This happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So paste here 5 times. It will be shortcut. Control V. Control V. Control V. Control V. How much time? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again one time. Control V. Now change the average value. It will be shortcut. Change here 001 to, for your exam also same do same how I am doing here. Okay, just copy here and paste here and change the every records here. Rohan, it will be shortcut for you all. Rohit, Ritika, RITHIK, Ritika. Okay, now change the age 54, 25, 25. Another is 29, 29. After that is 25, 25. After that is 51 and another is 20. Now change the manager is analytic, programmer. The video will be little long, but you will learn in a good way. If you will get this type of question, then you will break in any examination. Okay, so watch carefully. And if you will not understand, then please comment me whatever you want to you have question. Programmer. Now change the city. First is Chennai, second is also Chennai, and third one is Bangalore. Bangalore. Fourth one is Delhi. Delhi. BL. Delhi. After that is also Bangalore. Bangalore. Fourth is Goa. Right. Now change the gender. First one is male, second one is also male, third one is female. So I'll change here. FE. FE means female, FEMale, right? Another one is also female. Another one is male and another one is female. Shortcut. Now change the salary. 22,000. After that is 18,000. Keep here 18,000. 16,000. 16,000. After that 25,000. Last one is 24,000. 24,000. Now change the department number 001, 002, 003, 004, 005, and last is also 001. Okay. We have selected and run this. Now select this one and run here. One row is inserted. If you will get wrong, then here it will be solved. Again inserted. Again inserted. If you want to describe the table, you can write DESC. What you will write DESC and table name. Employees one. Just select this and run it. The table is here described. Once look. This is not asked in this question, but I have given here how to describe the table. Employee number is number, right? That is length is 22. Employee name, age, destination, city, gender, salary, D number. This everything. Now we have to insert the table. So let's start in the question. Now you have to now let's come here. Select from what? Employees. Employees one, right? Now we have to make a table. Missing expression. Sorry, select star. What you have to write? Select star from employees one. Now let's see that the same table we have performed here. Since we have created same table. right? There is 100 to 105. Now once here also you can look here. There is 100 to 5, last in 24,001, right? This is the first table. Now another we have to make second table. The table name is department. What is the table name? Second table name is the name department. Now let's make a second table. First take this screenshot of second table. Table that is department number and department name. Now let's start to make a second table. Create create table. The name of table is department, right? MEN TS department. Here is one, so that I'll write here one. But what the question is asked, that only you will write. Why I have wrote one? Because employees one is created in my SQL command, right? So that I have used one. Remember this thing. Now create table department one, give the bracket, D number is int, and this is the primary key. What is this? This is the primary key. So right here primary key, and another is D name. D name is Barcar. BARC, give the space. BARC, that's here Barcar. This space right 30. Close this and give a semicolon and run this here. Table is created, right? Now again insert the every value. We have to insert the record. Insert into, in which table we have to insert department. DEPART, departments one. D number is over here. One second, I'll take a screenshot. I want to screenshot. So if you haven't took this screenshot, you can also take. 001 and CSE, right? And close this. What you'll do? Close this and give us semicolon and run this here. Select this and run it. Missing selected word. Insert into this much, and values we have to give. We are keeping the record, so we have to keep the values, right? Now it will run this. One row inserted. Same, copy this. Control C. How many row are there? One is created. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the paste here 4 times. How much time you have to paste? 1, 2, 3, 4. Change the every value. 002, 003, 004, and 005. Change the faculty, means department name. CSE, another is EEE. Third one is ECE. Fourth one is AI, and fifth one is MEE, mechanical MEE. Right. Now what you have to do? You have to select, right? SEL is select star from department. departments 1 and close this, run here. So sorry, we have run this one only one, so run every two, one row inserted, another also row inserted, fourth one is also inserted, and fifth one is also inserted here. Now select this. Department name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, CSE, EE. You can check here. The table is created. We have done 3 questions. How to create the above table? We have created insert the record. We have inserted all the records in that table. We have shown the structure of the table. Another question is return with the details of all employees. What we have to do now? We have to show the all employees name. What we have to show? We have to show all the employees name. Fourth question is return with the details of all employees. We have shown all the employees in table. So fourth question is also completed. Fifth one is return with the name of all the employees. You have to show the employees in employees table. You have to show the all this name. We have to take out separately this name: Alan, Rohan, Amit, Parvin, Rohit, and Ritika. Okay. So what you have to do now? Right here, select. The question is telling to return be the details of employee name only, right? So write the table name means no table name don't write. Write this employee name, EMP name. What you have wrote here in this table, write that only. EMP name. So right now here also EMP name. Okay. EMP. Sorry. EMP name. Right here EMP. Give underscore sign. Don't give minus sign. You know that. Select EMP name from what? From employees 1, right? EMPL, EMPLOYEE, yes, employees 1. And give the last, at last, give semicolon. Don't forget to give the semicolon at last. Now select this and run here. The question is telling to show the employee name of the employees 1 table. So we have shown here employee name. We have taken only the name of employees. Our fifth question is completed. Now sixth question is return the name and salary of all employees. Now we have to show the name of employees and the salary of employees separately wise. Okay. Now right. Select what you have to show employee name and what the salary, right? So give comma. What you'll give? Employee name, comma. Now salary. Salary from where? From employees 1. Employees 1, give the semicolon. Select and run this. Now here the question is saying to show the employee name and the salary. So we have shown here the employee name and select salary. The command is select employee name, comma salary from what? From the table. Which table that is? Employees. Right. So now let's go on another question. What is another question? Fifth we have completed. Now sixth is list the details of all employees of age above 30. The age above 30, we have to employ all the details of all the employees, right? We have to show all the employees whose age is above 30. Now what you have to do, let's start, come here. We have to write select, what you write? Select employee name. There is saying to tell employee name, so we have to take out the employee name whose age is less than 30. Employee name from where? From employees 1. So now write this where the question is telling whose age is above 30. So where age is greater than 30. Right. The question is telling to take out the employee name whose age is above 30. So we have to write select employee name from employees where age is greater than 30. Now select this and run here. Alan and Rohit has above the age 30. Now let's see here whose age is 30. Then we'll understand here. Above age above is 54, 20, 35 is not, 20, 25 is not, 29 is also not, 25 is also not, 20 is also not. So Alan and Rohit have age above 30. So let's see here. Alan and Rohit has age above 30. Right? Understood this? Now another question is, this is most important and most easy also. And 9 number is, we'll do today up to 10 only because the video will be too long. And another day we'll show 11 to the 22. So we'll solve today 11 question. Okay. And another we'll solve in another video. Now let's come in 9 number. List the name and age of female. Name and age of female employee. Only the name and age of which? Female employees only. We have to show the name and age of female employee who draws salary between this much 2,000, 20,000 and 50,000. Whose salary is 20,000 between 20,000 and 50,000, but only the female employees. We have to show the name and the age of that female employees whose salary is between 20,000 to 50,000. So right here, select employee name. What you will write? Employee name. Give underscore sign. Employee name from where? We have to come. Take out the table employees. Yes, employees 1. What is the question telling? Sorry. Name and sorry, 9 number. Name and age of female. Question is telling to take out the name and age of female. So I have to write employee name and age also here. Employee name, comma age, is from what? From employees 1, right? Employee name is from employees 1, where where gender is where gender is equal to female, right? We have to show a female only. So what the question? Select employee name is from what? From employees table where gender is equals to female, and salary salary is greater than 2000, and give a space, and salary is less than 50,000. 2000, 20,000 there was, and 50,000. So between here means 20,000 to 50,000 means more than 20,000 but less than 50,000. Right? Now give a semicolon here and run this. There is no data means we are going to be run. There is 24,000 female. There are 3 female, 18,000, 16,000. There were not 20,000 to 50,000. And third one is 24,000 means we have to take out the name of Ritika. Here our command is wrong or anything. Okay, means let's see here what is gender means. Here G is capital, right? And in female here is a small of, right? So if you will write this G and here of, then it should be come female. So what you have wrote in table, that only command you have to write here. Okay. Now look, Ritika, the name employee name is Ritika, and her age is 20. Let's see what is her age. Her age is 20, right? And another question is, we have completed 9 number. Now 10 number. List the employees not from Bangalore. Who is not from Bangalore? So what we have to write? Select employee name, right? EMP underscore name. Employee name from what? From employees table. EMPLOYE. Yes. Employees 1 where city is not equal to, right? City not equal to is the sign, this one. Not equal to, not equal to. City not equal to what? Bangalore. You have to close this also here. And at last give a semicolon. Select employee name from employees 1 where city is not equal to Bangalore. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In next video we'll solve this every problem. Now left 12 up to 12 to 22. Okay. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please go and subscribe to watch my this type of education video. And thanks. And let's see on next video.